back in, sail dead to wind here now as well. So this is a good time for me to motor back in and show the Nauti-Control box. So what I'm going to do is just get the sail down here first. So up here at the front, motor ticking away. So what I want to show now is just how minor adjustments I can make. So if we look, this should bring us more this way. So you can kind of see we're heading more towards this island, and then if I go back, I want to head sort of in between here. Quite breezy too. That's us dead to wind now, so I'm going to get the main sail down. Main sail down. So as you can see, we're still motoring in. So basically when we get up to here, it'll start going round like that there, so we'll need to swing round. So as you see, we're coming in now, quite blustery. You can kind of see I need to turn here. So simply, and I'm, as you see, well away from the autopilot, so you just need to turn to the port. So if I press, I have the first button set them up to turn to port. So, what this means now, I can get my sail cover on, and by the time I get back into my berth, everything will be done, so I can just step off and go home. And that's everything done. Fenders on, boom down, covered, thing rolled away, just tidy up my lines and that's me done. So as you can see, I can now around to the port, swinging around nicely there. So head straight down the channel. I'll go and get my line sorted.